Welcome back once again on our, what is today? Thursday afternoon, heading toward the end of the work week today. First day of spring. Feels very spring-like for sure out there and feels more like late April right now than it does mid-March. Take a look at our first alert weather headlines, what we have for you here. Friday, much different story. Going to be much colder tomorrow in terms of our temperatures, but also winds out of the north not helping things. Those winds driving that colder area. And first alert weather day on Sunday, we'll see rain, then mix, then transition to snow. Wind gusts of 40 miles per hour, maybe even a little higher in some areas. So the concern is blowing snow. We'll get more to that in just a second. Mild weather next week. In fact, we take a jump in the 40s and the 50s as well at different points next week. So some good news there. How about right now? 56 Fargo, also in Grand Forks. A little cooler Langdon, 45, Hallock 46, Roseau, Baudette coming in at 48 degrees. Again, overall, all areas much warmer than normal for this time of year. 56, and again, even despite that gust of 33, when temperatures get this warm, it doesn't really have an impact in terms of wind chill. Moorhead coming in at 32. Grand Forks 56 as well. Winds gusting to 32, so certainly strong breezes out there, but it feels good. Peak wind gust today, 36 mile per hour Fargo, 37 for Valley City, 38 Gwinner. We talked earlier about that red flag warning in place for much of the James River Valley, also northeast South Dakota and the Red River Valley. So we'll kind of keep an eye on that through about 7 p.m. this evening. Potential fire start certainly could be an issue. So we look at our first alert forecast. Strong winds out of the southwest today. Now watch, we have a cold front which will move through the region this evening overnight. Winds out of the north. Winds are going to be strong again tomorrow, only with that north wind. Take a look at our morning temperatures. Teens and low 20s, not really moving a lot tomorrow. We'll warm up a little bit during the afternoon. We're still looking at 17 Hallock tomorrow, 15 Roseau. This is during the afternoon hours. And again, following up a warm first day of spring, definitely going to feel a big difference tomorrow. Take a look. Morning temperature 7 a.m. We've got teens, 20s, low 30s. Again, not much of a change tomorrow afternoon. The good news is after waking up to some cloud cover, we are going to see sunshine during the afternoon. There is a chance southern western areas could see a little bit of rain and snow tomorrow morning around daybreak. However, this is a quick moving system. Not going to see much, well, really no accumulation, just a quick hit of showers. First alert weather day overnight Saturday into your Sunday. Rain, snow, and wind. Now, again, those winds and the snow, the bigger story. Not going to see a lot of accumulation. I don't expect that. The exception, northwest Minnesota could see a couple of inches. The bigger story is going to be blowing snow in parts of the region. Poor visibility, a few slick roads as well. So again, we're going to keep an eye on this for you Saturday night and Sunday. System starts to wrap and move through the region here on Saturday night. Sunday, as mentioned, we're going to start with some rain, then we'll see some of that snow. You see northwest Minnesota kind of hanging on to that snow right through the late afternoon, clearing out during the evening. That's why we're looking at that area specifically. I want to show you real quick. European model, again, around noon Sunday, the system mainly impacting Minnesota. Take a look at our American model. Again, we're going with European model, but I will say that that potential is there for that weekend snow. And again, if the other model works out, could see a little more. I don't expect that's going to happen. Wind gust forecast for you. We are looking at winds. They are going to be strong again late Saturday into early Sunday, really throughout the daytime hours. We're going to get to the 11-day, give you a quick look here. 47 Saturday, down to 36 Sunday, and then next week warming up 40s and 50s.
The Fargo area has dodged a couple winter storms already.
Right.
We'll see if we can dodge another one this weekend.
Exactly, yes.
I'm hoping for it. Thanks.